In the old days, this was our iPhone Model 23 Pro Max. First of all, if you wanted to call somebody, you had to dedicate at least 3 minutes of your life to dialing their phone number. And God forbid they had a bunch of nines in their phone number. Then came this little upgrade. We thought we were NASA engineers whenever we got one of these. And if you messed up one number, congratulations, you're starting all over again. And when the phone rings, you have no idea who it is. No caller ID. It could have been your best friend, your girlfriend, your grandma, or some dude offering a timeshare in Florida. It was like playing Russian roulette to answer that phone. This wasn't just a phone. It was character development. You youngsters will never understand the stamina it took to dial a 10-digit phone number. Can y'all excuse me for a minute while I go find a 40-foot phone cord? That way I can walk around the house and talk to my girlfriend. And the best part, we survived all this without emojis, TikTok dances, or asking Siri how to spell Wednesday. Character development.